We are going to discuss now word cloud and how we can use this to gamify our virtual classroom. So come on, log in. Let's log in to our Mentimeter account. And let's start learning about word cloud. So what is a word cloud? Word clouds, also known as Wordle, word collage, or tag cloud, are visual representations of words that give greater prominence to words that appear more frequently. For Mentimeter word clouds, the words that are added most frequently by audience members using their smartphones. So this type of visualization can help presenters to quickly collect data from their audience, highlight the most common answers, and present the data in a way that everyone can understand. Okay, so my account is still logging in, and now we are inside. And you can see here the list of folders and presentations I have created with my Mentimeter account. Since I mentioned about folder, you might be asking how you could create a folder. So for you to create a folder, you just have to click this one, like that. And so for example, my new videos. Then create folder. So as you can see here in my list, I have 3 presentations and 3 folders. So the icon with the folder would tell you that these are folders in the list, and the one with the play button as icon are the live or the presentations that we have created with Mentimeter. The next now is, what if you have already created presentations and you would want to move them inside a folder? That's a very easy thing to do. You just have to click on that particular item in the list and then click move to folder, and then you have to choose to which folder you want that to be moved. Then click move here. So if I'm going to click on this my new videos, now you can see the file or the presentation that we have recently moved here. To go back to the main list, you just have to click on my presentations. Now, what if you would want to delete an item in the list? All you have to do is click on that item and then click delete. Okay, so now let's create a new presentation so that I could demonstrate to all of you how we could make use of word cloud to make our interactions with our students very interesting. Okay. So after that, we're gonna be brought here where you could see the list of your slides. This is the main content slide, and of course we have the type, content, and customize. Let's start first with the title. For example, our title here is Word Cloud. And then we have to go to customize to hide the instruction bar because that is not needed for this particular slide. Okay? Then I'm going to add another slide because I'm going to show a video, and then I'm going to ask my students what the message of the video is through a word cloud question type. Okay, so for you to be able to add a video, you have to choose the video content slide here, and then I'm going to title it as what is here, what is Mentimeter? Then you could even add an image to give your audience an idea what the video is all about. And next, you have to input the URL of the video, which is what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna input it here. So if you notice, there's only the add button. But once I pasted it and click add, you will now have the edit and the remove. So this is our video now. So if we're going to present it, this is what you can see. Okay? So you could press enter to play it, or you could click this one.
Mentimeter is an easy-to-use, powerful interactive presentation tool. All you have to do is create a question, then press present. The audience then uses their smart device to enter the presentation code and submit their answer. With Mentimeter, you get unbiased results visualized in a way that encourages reflection and sparks discussion.
Okay, so that is the video where we're gonna ask our student what the message is all about. Of course, for this particular slide, we need to remove the instruction bar. So again, you could do that by going to customize and then hide instruction bar. So we have added a video. Now we're going to add another slide for our word cloud. So we're going to input the question, what is the message of the video? And then here, this is where you could specify as to how many entries a participant could input. So I'll be only using my desktop and my phone. I'll put here 5 so that let's have 9. So we could have plenty of words to form our word cloud. Okay? So again, this is where you could limit or specify the number of entries a participant could include. Then, if you you could also switch it on if you would want your users to submit more than once. Okay. Now, for the customize, you have the layout here. So this is how the word cloud will be. So once the audience will start, or your students will start answering this particular question, their answers will be presented in this area in a form of a word cloud. Okay, can we do that now? So let's present. And then I will use the link for me to participate. Okay. And this is what you can see with that one. So since I placed there 9, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slots to input a word, and you have a max of 25. So the question is, what is the message of the video? So I'll input Mentimeter, unbiased, polls. Okay, then I will have here web-based. So as you can see, your audience could add what they think about it. Okay, so web-based. What else? Multiple, online, online voting, internet needed. There is, of course, a free account, like what I'm using right now. What else? Unbiased polls, web-based, online voting, internet. There are themes. Then you could create live presentations. And of course, through it, you could gamify. Then let's have gamification. Okay, now I'm going to click submit. Okay. Again, this is what the audience or the participants can see while they are voting for this particular question. And now you have here the 9 phrases or words that I have added. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let me participate using my phone now to add more words to this one, since as I have mentioned in my previous demonstration that for a particular device, we are only allowed to participate once since I disabled the allow. I did not enable that option where participants could submit more entries. Okay, so let me input my phone. Let me use my phone right now to add to add more words to our word cloud and also to participate. Okay, so let me open my application, and then I need to input the code, which is 59365590. Then I'll click submit, and this is what you can see now. So what is the message of the video? I will input online voting. I have real-time activities. Um, I have Mentimeter. Then free account. Let's see what would happen if we're going to repeat some of the words already there. Web-based. Then we have online quiz. Then we have interactive presentations. Okay. What else? We have live online polls. Then I will input word cloud. Okay, so as you can see here, the number on the right shows the number of characters that you are allowed to input. Then I will now click submit. So I have already participated, and let's see what happened with our word cloud. Okay, so once I click submit using my smartphone, more words are added to our word cloud, and this looks like this right now. So the free account, the online voting, and the web-based are the words that I inputted using this one and also using my smartphone. That's why they appear bigger here. Okay? So that's how to create a word cloud, or how to let your audience or students participate with the word cloud type of question. Okay. Another way is, this is also very, the word cloud question type is also very helpful for picture analysis, which I will demonstrate next. Okay, so let's download our results so that we could somehow see. So again, you have to remember that if you would want to download results directly or export directly to Excel, you need to upgrade, so you have to pay. So for our free account, we just have to make use of this one, which actually for me will really do based on our needs to gamify our classroom. So we have this one, and we have this word cloud. So if you would want to be more creative with your presentations, and then you would want to create a word cloud, you could actually do that in Mentimeter. So just have, if you already have an idea what are the different words that you would want to be included in your word cloud, then you can create something like this one, and then just be the one to input it. Just allow yourself to input all the words, and then Mentimeter will automatically generate the word cloud for you. So that's another use of the word cloud option of Mentimeter. Then after that, you could now use this one. You could snip it and make it as an attractive visual in your other instructional materials. Okay, what I'm going to do next is for us to add another slide. And this time, instead of using a video, I'm going to use an image. But still, we are going to make use of word cloud. Okay, so I'm going to add an image here. I just upload from my drive because I already have it here. And then save. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm presenting this particular word cloud, and then I would want my student to select the words that would somehow um, reflect or they like. So we have to customize it so that it would look nice, like that, or this one. Okay, so if we have it like this, then we could see all of it, all of the words there. So what I'm going to do is choose 3 words you like. Choose, not 3, but I would like choose 5 so that we could form a very nice word cloud. So from the picture shown here, choose 5 words. So I'm going to change this. Okay. So that's the instruction. Choose 5 words from the image. Then after that, we're going to try it again. So let me close this tab so that you will not get confused. Okay, let's present this one now. So I'm going to answer it using the link. So I'm gonna go here, open another tab, just paste the link, and this is what you can see now. Okay, so from the perspective or from the point of view of the teacher, like in my case, me, this is what you can see. For your student, this is now what they can see. So I'm gonna choose 5 words. So I'll choose interactive, and then ideas, beautiful. Then I have software, and then I will have inclusive. Again, now when you are doing this one, you could always start the countdown and also specify if voting is closed already. Then let me submit. So I've chosen interactive, ideas, beautiful, software, inclusive. Then let me submit this one. Okay. So thank you for your participation. Let's see if the words will appear here. Okay. So these are the 5 words that I have chosen here from this tab. Okay, so I was able to participate by copying the link here, and I have chosen these 5 words from this image. Let me participate using my phone, or okay, so that we could see if words are added. So let me input. I'm inputting right now my phone the voting code, which is 59365590. Then I'm going to click submit. Then I'm going to choose the word interactive. And then live. Then inclusive. Then I will have easy. And then fun. Okay. So again, using my smartphone, I have chosen the following words: interactive, live, inclusive, easy, and then fun. Now I'm going to, so this is what the words that I have inputted using my phone. So I'm going to submit it now. And let's see. Okay, it's done here. And as you can see, it's also added now to our word cloud. Okay, so that is how you could make use of word cloud to make your discussion or make your classroom more interactive. So you could use it to, like, for reflection purposes, and also you could simply use a word cloud to know the current status or moods of your student prior to a discussion. Okay, I hope you're gonna make use of this one in your instructional materials.